Welcome to day 26 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we have a simple, feel-good, full-body yoga stretch. Let's begin in tabletop position on hands and knees for a few rounds of cat and cow. Place your hands underneath your shoulders, knees hip distance apart, spread your fingers wide. Inhale, drop the belly, pull your chest forward, shoulders back. Exhale, round the back, pull your navel into the spine. Inhale, lift your heart, pull your shoulder blades together. Exhale, round the back, spread your shoulder blades wide apart. Move a few more times with your breath in your own rhythm. Arching and rounding the spine. Come back to neutral position, circle your hips to the side, forward, to the other side and back to your heels. Moving from the hips, make a few big circles, still moving in your own tempo. Change direction a few circles to the other side. And come back to tabletop position. Hips stay above the knees. Walk your hands forward and release your chest towards the ground for puppy pose. You can place your forehead down or your chin. Find a stretch on your upper back and shoulders and stay for a few breaths. With every exhale, softening the chest more towards the ground. Stretching the shoulders and upper back. One more big breath. Press your forearms down and roll forward into your belly. Stretch your right arm out to the side and roll over to the right side to find the stretch in the front of your right shoulder. Bend your left leg and place your left foot or toes down, also opening through the hips. Slowly come back to center and switch sides. Straighten your left arm out to the side. Roll to the left side and bend your right knee. Place your foot or toes down. Stay for a few more breaths. Come back to your belly. Place your hands underneath your shoulders and press yourself up into downward dog. Ground your index finger knuckles. Press your palms down, hips up to the ceiling. For Warrior 1, turn your left foot slightly out, step your right foot forward to your hands and raise up to standing. Your heels can stay in one line or hip distance apart as if you're standing on two rails. Press your left heel and the outer side of your foot down and reach up, lengthen through the fingertips. Take one more inhale. Exhale, Warrior 2, heels in one line and find the side angle. Lower your right forearm to the side and extend your left arm over the head. Press the outer edge of your left foot down. Take one more breath here. And release your hands down to the inside of your right foot. Lift your back heel, separate your feet a little wider, and drop your left knee down to the floor, lizard pose. Move your hips side to side, find the hip stretch. You can stay on your hands, or if you're ready to go deeper into stretch, walk your hands more forward or even lower down to the forearms. Walk your front foot more to the center of the mat, so you can frame the foot with your hands. Straighten the leg and bend the upper body over your front leg, half split. One more big full breath. Bend your front knee and step your foot back into downward facing dog. Same on the other side, turn your right foot out, step your left foot forward and raise up into Warrior 1. Press your feet down into the mat, lengthen up through the fingertips, sides of the waist. Inhale, Warrior 1. Exhale, Warrior 2. Adjust your feet in one line and find your side angle. Left forearm on the side, right arm reaches over the head into big side stretch. You can gaze down, forward or up to the ceiling here. One more big inhale. Exhale, bring your hands down. Right knee down to the mat. Adjust your feet. Shift the hips side to side. Find your hip stretch. And stay up on your hands all over to the forearms. Then bring your left foot more in, so you can frame the foot with your hands. Bend over your front leg and find the stretch on the back of the leg. Few breaths in half split. Bend your front knee and step the foot back into downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up, bend the knee and open the hips to the right. Take one breath here. Lift your right knee a little higher. And then bring it forward into pigeon pose. Push the hips back and allow them to become heavier, sink down towards the mat. You can stay up on your hands, lower to the forearms, or release all the way down to the mat. Find a comfortable position for your front knee and a stretch around the hips. Slowly come up to your hands. Tuck your left toes under and step your right foot back into downward facing dog. Lift your left leg, bend the knee, open the hip to the left. Stay for one breath. And bring your left knee forward into pigeon. Knee behind your wrist, shift the hips back. Find a comfortable position for your knee and hips. And see if you want to stay on your hands or lower down on this side. There are different variations and they might give you a little different stretch sensations. Take one more deep breath in, full breath out, and make your way back into downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, drop your knees down, keep your toes tucked in for a feet stretch. Sit down to your heels, adjust your toes if you need to, take the pinkies out of the way and sit up on your heels. If this feels like too much, you can keep your hands down and keep a little bit more weight on your hands. Few more breaths here. Relax your face and shoulders. Try to soften the body into this pose. Then come to your hands and knees, move your toes, circle the ankles, and point your feet for child's pose. If you always take your knees wide apart in child's pose, try to keep your knees together for a change. Release your forehead to the mat or on top of your forearms. Take a few more calm, slow, deep breaths. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly sit up on your heels. Inhale, sweep your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart. And open the eyes to finish this practice. I hope you enjoyed this simple yoga stretch. Let me know if you did. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 27. Bye!